All right, weather alert for tomorrow, specifically morning up until about maybe 12 noon, early afternoon. Downpours, strong wind, thunderstorms. Now, some thunderstorms may be strong to borderline severe, have the potential to produce some wind damage, albeit localized, but something that we'll keep an eye on. So this does coincide with the morning commute and kids heading out to school. We'll highlight this in just a second. Clouds on the increase, breezy, unseasonably mild. Temperatures that are in the lower 60s. We'll keep things kind of relatively quiet throughout most of the night tonight. Rain heavy at times, some strong thunderstorms and strong wind gusts from Monday morning up until about 12 noon. I think once we get towards the second half of the day, things are starting to improve. We'll be trending drier Monday afternoon, certainly Monday evening coming home, and then some sunshine. Looks like a bonus day, pretty nice on Tuesday. Clouds increasing, breezy, mild and humid. The bulk of the precipitation and stormy weather still back in central PA, Buffalo, upstate New York, western New York State ahead of this strong cold front. As this front approaches tomorrow morning, early afternoon out ahead of it, that round of some high impact weather. So as we take this into the future, take you to the overnight and into early tomorrow morning. And it's specifically this solid strip of red, yellow and orange. It's essentially what we call a squall line. Intense rain, some strong thunderstorms, potentially damaging thunderstorms with damaging wind up until now. Notice by late morning, the axis is shifting more towards southeast Mass, and then the whole thing is moving offshore by early tomorrow afternoon. Notice by mid to late afternoon, drier, some partial sun coming through the cloud cover, so better the second half of the day, and certainly by tomorrow evening, tomorrow night. Move ahead now to Tuesday, which pretty straightforward. It's a nice day, mostly sunny, mild and dry. You got temps in the mid 60s. Another system coming through on Wednesday with showers, perhaps not as strong as what will come through tomorrow morning, but showers Wednesday morning up until about early afternoon, and then trending drier again later Wednesday afternoon. But one weather system at a time, and it's specifically tomorrow morning, especially in that mid to late morning time frame, and some of these stronger thunderstorms and perhaps some damaging wind, some localized street flooding and poor visibility. Just real bad timing here with the morning commute. It'll spill over into early afternoon, I would say, in southeastern Mass, places like New Bedford, maybe ongoing at 12, 1 o'clock. But once you get beyond 2 o'clock, things are on the improve with some partial sunshine later in the afternoon. Rainfall amounts in some of these heavier downpours, potential is there for an inch or more of rain and some of the that squall line that comes through. Outside of any severe thunderstorms, the general winds may be gusting 35, 40 miles per hour, but locally stronger in some of the stronger thunderstorms. Coastal flood advisory for the high tide tomorrow morning. If any coastal flooding is anticipated to be minor, high tide's about 7:45 tomorrow morning, but those strong onshore winds. Small craft advisory may get upgraded to a gale warning, but do not be on the water tomorrow morning up until about early afternoon. All right, 7-day forecast, better later tomorrow afternoon. Tuesday on Wednesday, then back to dry, cooler weather Thursday and Friday, highs in the upper 50s. But again, you want to tune in to actually Stephen Matrograno's in tomorrow morning. He'll have your updated forecast.
All right, Tony, thank you so much.